We've just acquired this gorgeous and rare Mercedes CLA AMG Sport Estate Sportback, full AMG body styling kit, gloss black alloy wheels, front and rear park distance control, sunglass protection, tinted windows to the rear, electric tailgate. It's just rain coming off it. It's got the AMG interior with the red stitch piping. It's only 93,710 miles. Multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, Bluetooth, full media pack, it's navigation prepared, drives absolutely lovely. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.